Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of motherboards with a closer look at the DDR3 Motherboard by Estink. If you're in the market for a stable and powerful gaming motherboard, this might just be the one for you. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about stability and performance. The Estink DDR3 motherboard is built with high-quality PCB material, ensuring superior stability and reliable performance. Whether you're a casual user or a hardcore gamer, this motherboard is designed to handle it all. One of the standout features of this motherboard is its precise power supply mechanism. With evenly distributed thermal load for various power supply chipsets, your CPU's performance is optimized while ensuring durability. Say goodbye to overheating issues. Now, let's talk about connectivity. The Estink DDR3 motherboard comes equipped with a 100M Ethernet interface, offering rapid network connectivity for smooth online experiences. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just browsing the web, you can count on fast and reliable internet access. Memory is crucial when it comes to gaming and multitasking. With 2 DDR3 memory slots, this motherboard offers seamless compatibility with Core i7, i5, and i3 processors. You can expect exceptional performance and efficient multitasking capabilities, even with demanding applications. Visuals are important, especially for gamers. The Estink DDR3 motherboard supports both VGA and high-definition multimedia interface, delivering stunning digital HD output for an enhanced visual experience. Immerse yourself in the world of high-definition gaming. And there you have it, folks. The Estink DDR3 motherboard packs a punch with its stability, power, and performance. Whether you're building a gaming rig or upgrading your current setup, this motherboard has got you covered. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy gaming!